Hi guys. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to remove the text managed by your organization from your Chrome browser or, sometimes, from Windows settings as well. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my latest videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, go to the website linked in the description. Scroll down until you see the Remove Policies file, then click the Download button to download the file. This is a BAT file, so you can even open it to view its code. Once downloaded, run the file as an administrator. You'll see two options. The first removes the text from Chrome, and the second removes it from Windows. I'll go ahead and select option 1 to remove the Chrome policies. Remember, sometimes you may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. As you can see in my case, the message has been removed from Chrome. Now, I'll reset the policies in Windows. I'll reopen the Remove Policies file, run it, and this time select option 2. It will ask for permission. Press Y to proceed. Once it's done, you can go back to Windows settings, and the text should be gone. You may need to restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, have a nice day.